Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make yogurt at home. Yogurt can be made from the following materials: powdered milk, sugar, and culture. The culture used here can be thermophilic culture, also known as DVS, or an already prepared yogurt can also be used as culture. Other materials used in preparing yogurt are preservative, which can be sodium benzoate, and flavor. Now heat some clean water to boiling point and pour it into a bowl. Now dissolve about 300 grams of powdered milk in the hot water. When dissolving the milk in the water, try not to let it form lumps. Sieve the mixture in case lumps have formed. Now the next thing you should do is to cool the temperature of the liquid to about between 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. You can use the thermometer to do this, or you can use your hands to feel the heat of the container. Just make sure that it is not a burning temperature. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the already prepared yogurt to the mixture. And if you're using the thermophilic culture, also known as DVS, just use a pinch of it. Now pour the mixture into a thermoflask and allow it to stand for about 7 hours. After which you can now add your sugar, your preservative, your flavor, and any other ingredient you may wish to add to it. Now your yogurt is ready for consumption. Please always keep your yogurt refrigerated because the shelf life of yogurt is very short. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.